ago, so in 1982, there was a basement fire in this building. So you can see a lot of the floor joists were compromised, severely damaged, and what I'm doing right now, I'm basically replacing the ones that were compromised. Here you can see that I already replaced and kind of supported and sistered, so they are double 2 by 10 by 12 feet long. And here I have 3 runs that I need to address, and I can tell you, look here how badly damaged they are. Anyway, since this is a commercial space, I need to run double 2 by 10 by 12. In my case, at every 20 inches. It might be different for your city. So right now what we're doing is we are replacing the burned floor joists. There was a fire in this basement in 1982, and as you can see, the old floor joists are all charred, and many of them are cut through or burnt on the end, so they do not provide much of structural value. So what I'm doing right now, instead of sistering them, which would also be a possible solution, I decided to just get rid of them and fully replace them. You will see 3 first ones that I did at the back already. Those are sistered, 2 by 10 by 12 feet long, and I already put 6 of them, so 3 sections all doubled or sistered. And I'm going to continue further on, and so that's the task for today. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, because it will be bringing you health, success, happiness, prosperity.